My name is Giselle Akla from B.Ed 3B, and today we're going to identify the major and minor chords. Since we already know how to get the correct note values and correct pitch in a song, it's easy for us to identify and how to get the major and minor chords. Remember that a major chord has 3 and 2 steps, and a minor chord has 2 and 3 steps. Now, let's take an example. Basically, in getting the major chords, we're going to start in the major scale. And our major scale for today is the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. And underneath this major scale, we're going to number it. C is the 1, D is 2, 3 is E, 4 is F, 5 G, 6 A, 7 B, and C 8. Remember, in getting the major chord, we are going to get the first letter, the third, and the fifth. Now let's get it. The first letter is the C, third is E, fifth is G. Now, our major chord for today is C major. Now, let's going to write it in staff. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go draw the treble clef. Our C major composed of C, E, and G, and the root here is the C. This is the third and the fifth. In placing the whole note or the C in this staff, we're going to extend one line. Let's place the C here. Then, place the third note in the first line. The fifth note in the second line. So this is the face of our C major. Now, let's play it in the piano. As what I have said, the major chord used 3 and 2 steps. So in our example, C major, the C is the root, which is the first letter. Now getting the third and fifth letter, we're going to use the 3 and 2 steps. After C, we must count 3 keys in the piano to get the third letter. 1, 2, 3. Now the third letter is E. And 2 keys to get the fifth letter. 1, 2, and the fifth letter is G. Now, our C major composed of C, E, and G. It is our C major. Now, let's get the minor chord. In our minor chord, our major scale starts in E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. Same like goes in major chord, we're going also to number each letter under of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And also, we're going to also get the first, third, and fifth letter to get the minor chord. Our first letter is E, the third is G, fifth is B. Now, our minor chord for today is E minor. Let's write it in the staff. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Draw the treble clef. E minor composed of E, G, and B. E is the root, G is the third, B is the fifth. Our E or the root is placed in the first line of the staff. So, let's write it in the first. G is in second. B or the fifth letter is placed in the third line. So this is the phrase of our E minor. Now, let's play it in the piano. As what I have said, the minor chord used 2 and 3 steps. So in our example, the E minor, the E is the root, which is the first letter. Now, in getting the third and fifth letter, we're going to use the 2 and 3 step. After E, we must count 2 keys in the piano to get the third letter. 1, 2. So the third letter is the G. And 3 keys to count to get the fifth letter. 1, 2, 3. And the fifth letter is B. Now our E minor composed of E, G, and B. So our E minor is E, G, and B.